Hi, welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is your 5-minute chemistry series where we're discussing chemistry topics and examples in 5 minutes or less. This is the covalent bond series, and in this video you're going to see the 6th example of how to take a covalent formula and convert it into a covalent name. You'll definitely need a pen or paper, pencil, and maybe a periodic table. I'll see you on the other side of the intro. Have a great one. Hi, and welcome back to 5-Minute Chemistry. Today we're still working on our covalent bond series where we're taking a covalent formula and converting it into a covalent name. Some great videos to reference if you're unsure of some of this content is our Greek prefixes and common non-metallic roots, so you can make sure you're pulling and referencing the right items. It's always great to have a periodic table handy, and that'll also help you reference some of these items. Now again, we're using the sentence diagramming structure and process for this, but as you get better at it, you can definitely combine some of the steps and make this a more streamlined process. So the first thing we're going to do is look at each of these and know that there's only one of each of these. So each of them is going to have the prefix mono. Now I got that from seeing that there's no subscripts, everything's written one time, and that tells us that there's only one of them, and mono means one. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the mono to each of our elements. Now we're going to reference our periodic table to see how we should be naming our elements. So if we look at the periodic table, the symbol N, or the element symbol N, is nitrogen. So we're going to go ahead and write nitrogen under mono. So we see that they go together, that red mono. That's why I color code, so I know which one goes with which. Then we're going to go ahead and look up the symbol O on the periodic table and see that it goes with oxygen. And we're going to write down oxygen under that light blue mono. Now we have to remember that on the second element, you have to look up those non-metallic roots, and the root of oxygen is ox. So we're going to pull down that root here and add the suffix "ide," like we do with all second elements or elements that are not the first element, so that we can make sure that we understand that they go second. Now we're going to put them all together, remembering that for the first element, you do not write the prefix mono because you've already written the element one time, so you don't have to be writing it one more time. So we're going to write nitrogen. And then monoxide. Now remember, with the double O, one of the O's kind of gets canceled. I always take it out of the mono so that I can see my full root and element. So it's monoxide. Oh, I'm sorry. I was talking and not spelling MN. I'll write that down here again. So it's monoxide. So it's nitrogen monoxide. The chemical symbol is NO. If you really like this content or you're more interested in chemistry, please check out some of my other content, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.